All right, if you are having trouble connecting your Google Drive or any Google item from your laptop and you're using Safari, this is what you need to do. So here I am in my class, and I'm going to go up to Add Materials. I just want to show you what this looks like. So I'm going to say Add Assignment, and I click on Google Drive Assignments, and I get this Access Denied error. Okay, let's fix that. What I'm going to do is up here on the menu bar, okay, we're going to go up to Safari, and we're going to go to Preferences. And under Preferences, you have all these choices, and we're going to go up to here under Privacy. Okay, and here, Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. I'm going to not go into the details of why this exists and what it's doing right now, but just suffice to say, let's click there, take that check mark away, and now all of your Google items should work properly inside of Schoology. Let's just go verify that. I'm going to go to Add Materials, Add Assignment. I'm going to click on Google Drive Assignments. And now it's going to show me all of my Google Drive files. If your Google Drive files don't come up here, you probably get to a window that looks something like this, right? In fact, it probably says connect right here. But go ahead and connect or log into your Google Drive, and then you can connect it. I'll do that again here, right? You'll get a screen that's similar to this. I'm going to choose my account. This can be scary for some, and I covered this in my Schoology tutorial training. You're allowing Schoology to see, edit, create, and delete. This word right there gets very scary to some. You're giving the ability for Schoology to interact with your Google Drive. You need to say allow here, or it's just not going to work. This does not give Schoology the ability, or any employee of Schoology, to actually see your files or your content. It just allows the app to do its job. And one of them here is, now I'll be able to see my assignments, and I can search for whatever assignment it is. All right, I created this sample assignment, and there it is. Now I can add that to my assignment. So if you're having trouble with